Hey kinfolk, welcome back to Keeping It Neat with Derek and Nick. I am Derek, Executive Bourbon Steward.
I'm Nick, Certified Bartender.
And we are here for the Flavored Friday. We have two coming at you today, folks. We've got the Ballotin Caramel Turtle and the Bird Dog Chocolate. So they're both actually, the Ballotin is a chocolate whiskey also, but they call it the Caramel Turtle. So I don't know. We'll get to try them out and see what the wahoo is about here.
When I think of the Caramel Turtle, I'm thinking of those like chocolate candies that got the caramel
Yeah,
in
that's
them.
exactly what the picture is on the bottle, and it'll be right here in the middle. Over here in the middle. It'll be in the middle, and it'll be right there, and you'll get to see the bottle, and I'll show you the bottle of the Bird Dog also that will later on. So I can just grab it down it. So what we're going to do is we're going to get right into this. You know what I mean? We haven't tried them. We're just going to compare them side to side, see which one we like the best. So you ready to whiskey, buddy?
Ready and Abel. Yeah. Cheers. We had a disclaimer. This one has pecan in it. I know because Michaela has a nut allergy, so we had to be very careful with when I drank this.
Oh, dude, that's great nose. It's got like a buttery, like that, the toffee. It's got,
oh my gosh,
like a burnt candy in there, like
It smells thick. That even could be a thing.
It smells thick.
It smells thick.
It smells good though. It's got like a butteriness to it. It's like a. But there is that nuttiness in there. You're getting that light chocolate. You're getting the caramel. Obviously, is going to be in there. Yeah, that heavy caramel, that like toasted caramel in there, dude. Like that roasted. Oh, I gotta go in. I gotta try.
I was gonna say there's not much more there.
No, you're getting the chocolate there. And everything. This.
Wow,
that is delicious, dude. That caramel on the tongue, that light nuttiness. That is great. Oh my god.
Whoa, this is right up there with like Screwball, BSB.
Yes.
This is like, whereas there's no burn, delicious flavors, complexity of just like, it's like stages of flavor. It's amazing.
That's really good, dude. That's this is only 60 proof too, so it's actually very low.
See, I'm not, and usually when we run into these flavors, they're like,
the flavors are usually like the 70, 65 in that range. You know what I mean? It's 35% usually. Oh, dude, that is really good, man.
Wow, that is a dessert.
Mm-hmm.
That is like like I like dessert wines. This is like a dessert bourbon.
You know what this reminds me of is like the maples. Remember when we did the maples? We wanted to put the maple on everything.
Yeah,
it'll be up there above Nick's head. I'll put him the episodes there. I'll have a link for him to the maple flavors that we did because there was like a really good one on that, and I can't remember which one it was. But wow, this one's good, dude.
I'm trying to think of what this is making me think of. There's like, there's something that it makes me think of.
Caramel turtles?
Can't put my finger.
You know what it is? Honestly, what it reminds me of is like the popcorn there, the caramel corn that you get in the box. That's what it's reminding me of. Is that, you know, I want the prize.
Pecan's very prominent.
Because that would have the nuts in it too. Remember, you pick out the big cluster and have everything.
That's true. Yeah,
you know what I mean?
Cracker Jacks.
Cracker Jacks, exactly.
Yes,
you know what I mean? You get all of that together, and that's what it's kind of reminding me of. Is something like that.
Take me out to the ball game.
But that is phenomenal, dude. That's really good.
This is what you just pour in your coffee when you're going to that early morning game.
Yeah, I know. That's actually very good. But actually, Sadie got this for us. She bought it online and ordered it for us for the show.
That's nice.
Thank you very much, Sadie. Appreciate it.
Thank you. All right.
I'm
ready to move on because it's like,
all right, let's get in.
It's just to throw this out to you folks, it's a very much of a sipper. So like, look how much I still have left. I'm like full from drinking this.
There's still a lot. It's heavy. It's not heavy. It's not like that fake heaviness to it. It's just it's a slow sipper. It's not
Screwball. Yeah. It's that bourbon.
You got that syrup
the brown sugar bourbon, the syrupness. Yes.
Yep.
The syrupy.
All right, let's get into the Bird Dog chocolate, sir.
The Bird Dog. I know I didn't have to, but
no, you didn't have to because it'll be right over here in the middle. Boop, I'll put it up. Right there. I did it. It's right there. See, I don't ever know which way to turn because it's always opposite. I want to turn.
I have to now tell myself turn right.
Yeah,
even though it doesn't make sense, I want to turn left.
Look at that way. Yeah, exactly.
Take it back now.
Oh, dude, that's got like super like on this one. It's like that totally opposite. It's like a dark, bitter chocolate nose to it.
I know it doesn't even smell good. You know what it is? Before we even Oh, that thing! My glass just did one of these on the table. Though, I was like, oh. You know when you get a candy bar and it's not like I love a dark chocolate candy bar, the special Hershey's Special Dark, and then they've got those, but like Cadbury does like 60% cocoa and 80% cocoa and like all these weird cocoa blends. To me, off the nose, I haven't tasted it yet. It's like that 60% cocoa. It's the one that it's like you're getting pure chocolate in there, not for like straight from the plant.
No, yeah, you are. And even I just took a sip, dude, and you're getting it just comes through that way. Like as much as you get that bitterness on the nose, on the palate, it's like a semi-sweet dark chocolate. That's what it's that dark semi-sweet chocolate.
Yeah, so this comes in at 40%.
So it's 80. So it's 80 proof. 80 so proof. That's real. That's regular alcohol level for
whiskey. I got
whiskey.
this for 19. For the 750 milliliter. I got it for $19.99.
Okay, so. Well the Ballotin was Ballotin, I believe. The chocolate whiskey that was $25.99.
Okay.
So I mean, not bad. You know what I mean for a flavored whiskey. As far as this one is good. If it tastes like chocolate, it doesn't. I'm going to say it doesn't taste like a fake chocolate, like they tried to push out some fakeness in there with it.
This is like a 40% cocoa. I'm not seeing that. I'm looking at my scenting kit as we do this. I am not getting anything else on this one though. It's like chocolate. There's some sort of bourbon in there that it's mixed with.
Well, there's a whiskey, and I wish
almost artificial too. Like it tastes artificial.
Well, it does. It does in that background on the final finish on the palate. That's when you get like that the flavorings come through, like the fakeness that'll come through on there. But other than that, I think for chocolate, if that's what you're going for,
I'd have to tastes like? Ones. A mocha cappuccino. No, a mocha colada from Dunkin's, like that mocha pump.
Mm-hmm.
That's totally what it tastes like. The mocha pump. Yeah. That shot that they put in when you get any frozen mocha drink at Dunkin' Donuts. That's what this tastes like.
Totally, that's it. Definitely, I agree.
I'm not a huge fan, but I think that could be really good in some sort of mixed drink. Whereas I think the first one was a very good side sipper as you go along with things, if that makes sense.
As far as for noses, they are different noses. One is definitely like the caramel turtle. That one is a little lighter and a little more butteriness to it with the caramel going through. Where this one, you're just getting that deep, dark chocolate flavorings and notes that come through with the Bird Dog one. Both of them are decent. I like both of them. They're good. If I was to pick one, if you said, hey, you can have these two in front of you right now, which one do you want? I'd go with the caramel turtle. I think all day long. I would pick that one out of both of them, definitely. But let's just bring in Sadie Mae, if she's ready. We're going to bring her in and see where she got this Ballotin from. Hey, Sadie. We just have one question for you, is where did you order this? Because you ordered it online. We just want for our viewers, where'd you order it from?
So I believe I got this one from sipwhiskey.com. I also placed an order from Reserve Bar.
Okay.
So those are the two that I've ordered from. I'm not sure where exactly this one came from, but I believe it was Sip Whiskey.
All right. Yeah, we just wanted to know where it was. Because we told everybody that you ordered it, and we just wanted to know where it was from. So thank you very much. It's delicious, and we will enjoy it. We'll have to come up with some kind of a mixed drink. We'll work on that one. But thank you very much.
That nosing is insane.
Yeah, the nose is nuts on it. But all right, kiddo. Thank you very much.
Of course.
So, all right, buddy. Well, that's it. I think we're done. I think we both picked. I think we'd go with the caramel turtle over everything else, and I think that's going to end it. Wrap it up for here, folks. So, hey,
I think you could make a really good chocolate martini with that Bird Dog.
Oh, maybe,
interesting because normally chocolate martinis, most martinis are usually, besides Manhattans and a few other side ones, are usually made with vodka. So. Similar to the coconut one we did recently, Derek, with the Malibu, and I was like, this would be good as a pina colada.
That would be good.
This Bird Dog could be good as a chocolate martini.
That would be good for that. Yeah, definitely. Yeah. So, all right, everybody, you know the usual thing. Please hit the like button down below, comment, notifications. Let us know what you think. We're always looking for input here. Let us know, something you maybe want to see us do on the show, maybe for a Flavored Friday. Put it in the comments. Let us know. We'll get out there and we'll get it if we can find it, and we'll put it on the show, and we'll do a Flavored Friday out of it. Maybe we'll make a cocktail too. Who knows? We like to do kind of crazy stuff sometimes. But got anything else, my friend?
I got nothing besides this awesome T-shirt.
Ooh, the awesome
shirt. Scotch. Get in my belly.
Dude, that's a great shirt.
It's amazing. My buddy Jay gave it to me. Thanks, Jay.
Well, great job, Jay. That was a nice shirt. I like it. So, hey everybody, thank you very much for watching us. And as always, here's hoping that you all find a little bit of luxury.
But none the wiser on any life.
Thanks, everyone.
Take care.
If you are ready and able to whiskey, be sure to drop a comment below. Hit those like and subscribe buttons and press notifications. Also, follow Keeping It Neat on Instagram. Thanks for watching, kinfolk.